it's my first time when I've attended any seminar offline. I have done it, but mostly they are online sessions or something like that. And I have attended, and it's like international conference. So I don't have any idea how to do write the review paper or anything, and how to present in front of such experts. But I learned so many new things, and my confidence level has been increased after that, because I have a lot gained from these sessions. And most importantly, I would like to thank you all my managed team, because they have arranged everything in very proper manner. The timing was so perfect, nothing has been mismatched, so it was a great experience. And also I want to add one thing here, is that everyone has developed such a great models, and I like all the concepts. But the one thing, these models are very professional, like they are mostly understood by the professionals or farmers who are well educated, like they are focusing on that farmers. So my point of view is that if we can add more value on the grassroots farmers who are still disadvantaged, or who are still on the base, if we can do something for that, the all models you have developed, can you put your energy in farmers who are still not that aware. If you spend a lot of money there, it will be advantage for everyone, and it will create a huge impact, because the advantaged one easily get the ideas, right? They don't need that much energy, but the disadvantaged one need the most energy. And I am telling this because I know, because I am growing in farmer community, that's why, and nothing else. Thank you.